guys, and this is how to withdraw your layer edge to your exchange. Click on the link, ask you to enter, then ask you to connect your wallet. You can see over here. Here, connect your wallet. So once your wallet is being connected, all right, click on next. Then you can see my locations. My location was 285 that time. I remember when I posted it. Now it has been adjusted to 252.56. I'm praying let this thing be a good listening because the price, the allocation is very, very small. I have about 3 million plus and I have a good score. So I don't know why they give me this allocation. So let me click on next. I don't know if you are going to list the token for $2 or $3. I don't know. So as you can see, I have my testnet phase 1 and phase 2 participated. Verify the referral. You can see OG pledge pass NFT holders. You can see. Alright. Say claim your on chain begin on 31st. Or this is CS. Claim on CL. Then I'm going to make use of my get your AI. Alright. So if you click on it there, you tick. Then the next thing you can either go to your you go to your deposit address, then your deposit UID. Alright. So this is my get UI. So this is where to get my UID. My UID is from here. Sorry, my UID. Let me go back. Mistakenly touch this thing. From this site now, this way where you are seeing now, here, this is where to get my UID. Then I'll click here to get to deposit to look for the token and copy the address. If you click on here, now to ask you to click on this, you ask, okay, you click on this icon here, then you see your UID. Alright. So here is deposit. Click on deposit. Now I will now search, click on change deposit. Then I will now search for edging. You can see edging here. You can see here. Then you copy your address. So that's all you have to do. Okay, so let's set the listing price going to be. Then I'll drop drop more information about regarding the second phase. All right, because if the listing price suits, we're going for the second phase. All right, so let's see. All right.